Welcome to Peregrine Live Foods site induction video. Please make yourself comfortable whilst we take you through some of the important health and safety information. We strive to create a safe environment for everyone. Please enter our site slowly as the entrance is shared by all employees, visitors, goods in and goods out. The speed limit on site is strictly 5 miles an hour. Please be careful and look out for pedestrians and forklift trucks and park in the designated parking bays. There are designated car parking spaces for employees, visitors and our fleet of Peregrine vans if you're unsure if you have parked in the correct place. We also have electric charging points available. Please report to reception upon arrival. It is essential for all to wear high visibility clothing. Operatives wear yellow high-vis, first aiders generally wear green high-vis, health and safety representatives wear blue, and the maintenance team wear orange. There are lockers and storage spaces available for storing personal belongings, but please note items are brought onto site and left at your own risk. Our site rules include no smoking including vaping, unless it is either in your own car or on the designated smoking areas in the car park. Please note there is also a non-smoking outside seated area beside the main warehouse, so please avoid smoking in this location. Always dispose of smoking materials appropriately. We do not tolerate any alcohol or drug use at work and have zero tolerance for any form of bullying or harassment. Peregrine operatives strict rules regarding eating and drinking due to the associated risks on site. There should not be any eating or drinking from open-top cups or cans apart from the canteen. If you use water dispensers around site, please wash your hands before use and dispose of cups appropriately. There are 2 kitchen facilities on site with hot drink machines, microwave, kettle and fridge and snack vending machines where you'll be able to purchase soft drinks and snacks, and there are sandwich vans coming into site in the morning. We have welfare facilities across the site for both male and female use and the use of changing rooms and shower facilities. Fire safety is considered across site. Fire exit signage is displayed, emergency lighting is in place and the fire doors are used. If an emergency alarm is raised, leave by the nearest fire exit and walk calmly to the designated fire assembly point where a roll call will be conducted. Do not run or push past others and remain calm. Do not go back into the building unless a manager or fire professional has advised it is safe to do so. Close all doors behind you. If you need to go through a closed door, either use the visual panel and check that it is safe to enter, or check with the back of your hand that there is no heat coming through. We have firefighting equipment around site including fire blankets and fire extinguishers. A small fire can be put out with the correct fire extinguisher, however please only use if you feel confident or have trained on how to use one. Our fire alarm is tested every Thursday between 11 AM and 12. We have safe systems of work and safe operating procedures in place to reduce the risks around processes on site. You must follow the safe guidelines as described and implemented by your superiors and team leaders. Always follow instructions displayed as you enter each work area. There are restricted work areas around site that are for trained personnel only, including the freezers, insect breeding rooms, animal department and production areas. Personal protective equipment and respiratory protective equipment will be supplied as required and should be checked and worn appropriately. It is a requirement to wear high-vis vests and steel toe cap footwear in work areas outside of the office. We have qualified first aiders on site covering different departments and work shifts. There are multiple first aid kits around site. They are in the people team office, production room, live foods dispatch, post room and winters. Some first aiders also have their own first aid kits in their work area. If you require first aid, do not self-treat, always seek a first aider and ensure that the incident is reported. We also have 2 automated external defibrillators on site. Reporting accidents, incidents or near misses can be done on our safety portal. Scan the QR code in canteens or around site. It is really important that you report all injuries no matter how small. Reporting one of these events means that we can help improve the working environment and make the workplace safe. Our safety portal also allows safety policies and risk assessments. You can report safety concerns or observations and carry out equipment checks amongst much more. Whilst passing through or working inside the warehouses, you must take care and always keep clear of forklift trucks. Forklift trucks usually have right of way and make sure you acknowledge the driver before proceeding. Keep to pedestrian routes and be aware. Forklifts only beep when reversing. Keep out of aisles while the FLT is working. Never stand under, on, between the forks when the forklift is stationary or moving. Only trained and authorised drivers may use the forklift trucks. Never climb onto the racking. Forklift trucks are very heavy and do not have the same stopping distance as a car. Be cautious around the vehicle and make sure the driver knows you are there and keep a safe distance. If a forklift truck is in an aisle, you must wait for it to come out. If you're in the aisle, the forklift truck must wait for you to come out. Never be in the same aisle as a forklift truck. Please remember we have insects and reptiles on site, so you may come across these in some departments. We request that whilst on site, you ensure appropriate waste disposal and use appropriate bins provided. Further safety instructions will be provided, and if you have any questions or concerns, please speak to your manager or a member of the people team. Thank you.